Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into how to install the Node.js. So first of all, you have to search in Google Node.js. So you will be get official site of this Node.js one. You just open this one. Here you will be get the home page. Here you can find download section, right? You can click on this download section. Here you will get which OS you are going to be selected here. I am currently using Windows. In that case, I have to select it as Windows. Here you can scroll down. Here you can see Windows installer .msi, right? Can you please click on this one? It will be start to downloading. So here open in the folder section, double click on this folder, click on next, accept this license agreement, click on next. Here you can see if you want to keep on this C folder, you can keep it here. If you want to change any other directory, you can select it using change button. Okay, now I'm going to be leave it as a C program files folder itself. Click on next. Here you can see this automatically install the necessary tools. This option I'm going to be check. Here I have to click on this checkbox, click on next, install. So now you are getting one pop-up which is user account control. Here you can select yes button. Now completed the Node.js setup, right? Here you can click on finish button. You can see install additional tools. So you will be get this promote window, right? If you want to check this one, here you can type as Node.js. Then you will be get the Node.js app was successfully installed in your system. So this is way how to install Node.js in Windows.